Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best portable lawn chairs in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Coleman Camping Chair. This is a pretty standard camping style chair at first glance, but it has a few tricks up its sleeve. Notably, the left armrest unzips to reveal a cooler pouch that can fit up to 4 cans, while the right armrest sports a cup holder. There's also an accessory pouch on the right side of the chair for extra storage. It packs up into a convenient bag and weighs a portable 7.7 pounds. While it's equipped for prolonged beverage enjoyment, it isn't our favorite for prolonged sitting. Our testers found that the super slouchy shape is somewhat uncomfortable for those who prefer a straighter spine, which is a relatively common complaint among camping models. The carrying bag stitching also started unthreading the moment we started using it, which makes us worry about the overall durability of the product. Still, it's considerably more affordable than many other options in this review, so if you're looking for a price point camp chair, look no further. Number 2. Our second best pick is Best Choice Products Adjustable Lounge Chair. We think this provides comfort at a really affordable price. At first glance, it seems about on par, price-wise, with the other zero-gravity style chairs, until we realized it's sold as a 2-pack. For how comfortable and nice this chair is, we think it's a great deal. We also really like how it reclines and raises easily, and the large drink tray is accommodating. It was also surprisingly lightweight for how substantial this thing is. On the downside, we wish that the drink tray was part of the chair, as when carrying it around, it was easy for us to forget the tray in the car. We also would prefer that the powder-coated metal was a lighter color. The black color gets super hot in the sun. All in all, though, this is a quality pair of chairs at an excellent price. Number 3. Our third best pick is GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Rocking Chair. This is an unusual and unique rocker-style lawn chair. Instead of the typical curved legs on a rocker, the GCI sports 2 spring-loaded pistons that you can press back into in a facsimile of the motion of a typical rocking chair. It also sports a nice wide seat and a convenient cup holder permanently attached to the chair. We didn't love this chair. The pistons force the user forward into an upright position, almost tipping forward, and the rocking motion doesn't feel nearly as natural as a regular rocker. This is further exacerbated by the strict 90-degree angle of the chair, which doesn't allow the user to recline at all without pushing their legs into the pistons. While we appreciate GCI trying new things in the camp chair world, we wouldn't really recommend this chair. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is the Kajaro Dual Lock Hard Arm Portable Camping Chair. This is a classic folding sports chair without any of the slouchy slack you've come to expect from camping chairs. The firm seat locks into place with a tall, friendly angled back that helps this model be easy to appreciate. Our tallest friends and family members love the added seat height of this towering chair, and our grandparents love how easily they can get in and out of it. A quick-release locking mechanism holds the chair securely open for added stability, while simultaneously locking it closed for easy carrying. You can leave the bag at home, as the Kajaro features a shoulder strap attached directly to the frame. It also has a side pocket we like for holding a book and 2 different-sized cup holders to keep you hydrated. On the other hand, if portability is your main concern, the Kajaro is just shy of 4 feet long when folded, making it a challenge to fit into some car trunks. It doesn't impress us with its durability, as we've had issues with broken lock mechanisms, loosening pole joints, and easily stained fabric. On top of some other details like sloppy seams and wiggle room in parts of the frame that we don't want to wiggle in, we're not convinced this chair will last as long as your desire to go outside will. However, the convenience of the lock and shoulder strap combined with the height and support still make the Kajaro a chair we often reach for when heading to barbecues and backyard hangouts. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Chair. Finding a balance between comfort, durability, and affordability can be difficult when shopping for a camping-style chair. It manages to nail that balance. It offers plenty of sitting space for a camping chair, and some testers were impressed with the comfort of the padded canvas seat. We were also mightily impressed with its listed 800 pounds weight capacity, more than double of any other chair we tested. One tester has owned this chair for several years and many camping trips without a hiccup. The 2 cup holders, 2 side compartments, and mesh back pocket are convenient for keeping beverages, magazines, phones, or Mores ingredients within reach. Of course, we want to be sure to include any possible downsides, and we think some of this chair's features could be improved upon. For example, although the padded foam encased in nylon fabric provides comfort for prolonged relaxation sessions, this chair isn't very breathable under the bottom. Additionally, while the chair seems to be sturdy and reliable for the long haul, the carrying bag that comes with it doesn't hold up to the same quality. Still, we are fans of this model and recommend it to anyone seeking a solid camp chair. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.